name is Tessie from Malayali Homefood. Today I am making carrot and cabbage mixed thoran.
This you will need shallots, half a cup coconut, a small piece of ginger and a few cloves of garlic. You would need half a cabbage and half a carrot. You begin by chopping ginger and carrot. Then you add in your shallots, chilies and garlic. Add the cabbage and chop it all together. I'm using a machine chopper to make things easier. This is how your end mixture would look like. Now add in your coconut to the cabbage mixture. You can add in your turmeric, add in some salt. You can always add in more salt later on. Heat some oil in the pan, add some mustard seeds and let it splutter. And add some curry leaves and dry red chillies. Add in your cabbage mixture and stir it lightly. Cover the mixture with lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Your carrot cabbage thoran is now ready.